Okay, the flames roar to life and I see visions inside. Their location explained. Burn the ash, burn the dead and free souls contained. My mission is to destroy all the ash, but it is best if I focus on killing the undead first. Okay. Supply and demand. Destroy the warehouse where the zombie kings store their drugs. Is that a vampire? You need more men protecting the ash. Bring your own. Okay. Holy shit. Who are these girls? That was fucking hilarious. That person is literally upside down. I just threw that hammer. Oh yeah, the vampires have guns. There we go. Oh, what? How did he see me? He was headless and his head wasn't nearby, I think. Unless his head was like the security camera. In which case, nice plot twist, bro. Did I not pick up the hammer? Where the fuck did I put the hammer? What? I had the hammer and then I threw it, I think? What the fuck? These vampires are different. When they go through doors, they're already a bit away from it. Come on. Come on, guys. There's a revolver over here. 10mm pistol. Didn't even notice the security cameras, honestly. Damn it. God damn it. I wanted to get out because I can't tell if what weapon I have on, and I was on my pistol, so I would have died either way, honestly. What the fuck? I was spamming left mouse button, but sure, I walked. He walked, bro. He learned how to walk. What the fuck? I'm not even sure what to think anymore. Shut up, game. I know exactly what I'm doing for most of it. These guys hesitate so much. It's the downfall. Guessing the revolver isn't as strong as the pistol. Hey. Boom! Oh. Ooh, that was a good shot. It killed the security camera while I was at it. Fuck off. I was trying to use the middle mouse button, the wheel, to change weapons, and that was bad. Ow. What the fuck, man? Why wouldn't you go through? I was trying to close the door. What? It's never been the case before. What the fuck? Is it because he's so close to the other guy that I'm hitting the other guy? In which case, fine. Either way. It's not my fault your friend notices way too late. It's more like it. Oh, his head was... okay. I thought the heads could only look one way. But I guess I was wrong. How the fuck didn't you hear that? You hear it all the other times. I need this guy to drop. Okay, I was on my hammer, and while the hammer's nice, I wanted to use a shotgun. Shotgun time. Really? Okay. I died to ladies, guys. I died to them. They are my kryptonite. I'm repeating this part so many times, it's not even funny. I just want to get to the next area and work out what I have to do. Hi. I didn't mean to fall. Knocking can split enemies apart, making it easier. Yeah, but then they all get aroused. Not in a good way either. Another dead guy. Another dead guy on the streets. The body fell down and he didn't even question it. I might want to bring some people out for fun. Oh, alright. Oh, fuck you. Oh, I killed that guy by shooting this guy. That's funny. One of the bullets must have, like, not hit him, I guess. Now, how can I turn this light off? Oh! That was just a test. That's funny. Oh. There goes that. Now let's finally see what the hell we can do. Just gonna go to the 10mm. I don't know what the hell, which one's better. But yeah. Fucking hell. Those ladies are so random, it feels like. That was total luck. Oh, no, I don't actually want to do that one. This gotta open himself. Oh. Got it. Damn it, didn't get rid of both of them. Now this one's all by himself. He doesn't know what to do because he's a head, he's a camera. He can't actually protect himself. Goodbye. Oh, finally done with this. Goodbye, vampire-looking things. 25 minutes, jeez. Huh, 4 stars. The flames roar to life and I see blood inside. Attempting to lead his creed to salvation. A man with ambition cannot live with me. Intel. Roland's house is filled with many guards, but the only target is Roland. I'll separate him from his men. His death will shatter the Zombie King's leadership. I must remember that the mission is to kill Roland, not the others. Okay. Roland. Kill Roland, the leader of the zombies. Oh, what weapon have I got? I got a revolver. I didn't realize that was there. Okay, so turning off the lights gets their attention. It's pretty obvious. If I want to get to that vent in the middle, I'm gonna have to kill both the heads. But that gets people's attention. Is he gonna come up? Ah. Oh, perfect. Bloody pickaxe. Love it. I prefer the hammer though. It's way too slow. Wait, oh, right. Wow, this is gonna get tough. Can I destroy that light? No, I can't. Oh, they killed me. Whoops. Oh, it's a sledgehammer. That's what it is. Oh, fuck you. I was just gonna take this back home, guys, that's all. Oh, jeez. All the different ways you can fucking die in this game. I feel like I've already explored them all. Yeah, thanks, game, I get it. Fucking hell. Oh, it's meant to knock. I clicked left mouse button, but it must have been in the middle of a knock, so it didn't actually interpret or input properly. Come on. Open the door, John. Who's John? Your papa. Oh, another cassette. Nice. Oh. That was not meant to happen. Let's go. But how? I went into it. Okay. Okay, game. You just don't want me to win. Yes, come to the door, Roland, and die. Ha! Almost died there. So, which way's my car? Is it down this side? Yeah, I think it is. Oh, I get it. That's the way down to my car. Cool, I get it. Zombie King clears. Clear all Zombie King's missions. Nice. I did well, I think. Flames roar to life. Pale moonlight, touch, no heat. Vampires flock. Find out why. Dancing vampires won't notice your presence unless you shoot them. Tall undead said to be informed by betrayal from a lover. They are much more dangerous than zombies. I'll have to make sure that every shot counts. Oh, there's something about mirrors? Mirror, look upon your reflection, said the fireplace, and remember that you are different. You are not undead. What am I, then? Okay. 1,000-year royals. Nice. Well, I'm going to take a break, because I need to get some sleep. But this game's fun so far. I'm liking it. I've wanted to play this game for ages, and it's just... I'll have to, I'm currently in a little dilemma where I want to buy new weapons, at least one new weapon that's better, but I'm going pretty well with what I have. And the only reason that I'm thinking of buying another weapon is because my, 9mm one is a little bad. I didn't think it'd be this bad, but I'm sure I'll be fine.